Could you please explain about how the companies that are listed under SPX are performing right now in Fiji?
Yeah, so we have 20 companies that are listed on the stock exchange, and the good part about the Fijian stock exchange is it's a fair, good representation of Fiji's economy.
Right.
So these 20 companies are legitimate companies, well-run businesses that are that consumers and members of the public know very well. For an example, we have 3 companies listed under the FMF group. We have the parent company of Aquasafe listed on the stock exchange. We have Fiji TV listed on the stock exchange. And your competitor CFL has listed on the stock exchange. Contiki Finance is another company that is listed in the finance sector. Port Dinarau, the port that is used to transport people to the islands and the hotels, very important part of the tourism industry in Fiji is there. Then we have Fijian Holdings, which is an indigenous investment company. So those are all legitimate businesses. And the good part about that is you're investing in companies that you know, understand, and that are professionally run. In terms of performance, consistently we've seen the companies be profitable. Last year, 19 out of the 20 companies were profitable. And like I said, well-run, well-diversified businesses. So members of the public will be investing in those companies that are solid, that have a good, solid investment case, and that have demonstrated growth over a period of time.